Okay, so this video is, sorry for my bad microphone. This video is voiced for some reason because I just decided to, I don't know, to basically I now have a website now where you can find some of the stuff I made. Actually, some of the stuff isn't even on YouTube yet. So for example, here we have a Perlin noise something generator thing I made while I was bored. So basically this thing you can just parameters change anything where you want, and then click here on render and it'll render Perlin noise. How this works is actually, it's complicated. It does a lot of math stuff in the background, and it just generates an image with noise. It's completely customizable. Like, this is the default setting. You can like do whatever you want with the noise. Like, it's completely customizable. Do whatever you want. You can get interesting results sometimes, like this. I don't know. Yeah, but and then you can export that thing as a PNG. Here. Oh, ignore this Audacity download. Install me. Then there's also just this wavy thing I made for absolutely no reason because I just was fucking bored. It's pretty cool looking at it, and can also be a little laggy. Very laggy. Yeah, and then third thing I've made is basically a small game engine of sorts. I don't know. You can do some cool stuff with it. It's just a small script. You can, here, kind of a small example, create a sprite, create just a game manager that manages different stuff of the game, set the sprite size, set different events, rotate, smooth. It has access to all easing functions that are also available in CSS. You can move the thing, you can clone them, you can set, you can also particle emitter. It also has it's a bit weird because I have like this particle area thingy. It's like an area that particles, just basically an area, just describes a square, and you can pass it to a particle emitter. So the first one basically describes where the particles can come from, and the second one is where they go into an area. So like, you can also make it the area just 1 pixel, then they will come from a specific point, but if you make the area bigger, they'll just spread. And yeah, then you create the particle emitter with a few other parameters and stuff. You can also hear different links on GitHub raw code. Here's the JS deliver link. You have to include the JS deliver link, not the raw GitHub link, because then it won't work because it's get blocked for some reason. So you can just paste this in your head, and then this example, the above example, just looks like this. It's small particle emitter thing sprite. When you hover, it moves. You can click this thing and it changes random background color. When you press R on your keyboard, it rotates this thing. Yeah, that's basically it. So sorry for my bad voice. By the way, this is just a link to just these two things. That's just because I didn't have the slideshow before. Also, here just my story tools. Will be adding more. Also, as you can read, the page is currently very work in progress. I've just started doing this not too long ago, working on this, so I'm constantly working on it. It's constantly will be adding new stuff I've made in the past, and yeah, that's basically all I wanted to say in this video. And thank you for watching. Subscribe if you don't mind, and thank you. Also, sorry for this terrible microphone and my terrible voice. I don't feel too good. Bye.